Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but 6% ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Kamukam College Shillong ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
ka Department of Sports and Youth Affairs Jonga Sarkar Jilla Haringkat ka jentre lang mak Meghalaya Athletics Association krapen long ka state level in the school athletic meet arajar pausan ba yakri ka Lumpung lapli perda da Richard Yanthan IS babat kumu joint secretary directorate of sports and youth affairs Jonga Sarkar Jilla kri ka Lumpung balai singi kabolong hasai STC nehu campus mau kenro kan kut hakar pu atrik mentau benai
Approaching the dais is East Garo Hills District with flag bearer Rigranchi Marak and placard holder Dimramchang M. Sangma. State level School Athletic Meet 2024 and Dimchang M. Sangma is a bronze medalist in the 300 meters under 16 boys state level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024. Following East Garo Hills is East Jaitya Hills District with flag bearer Richanmehi Rinklem and placard holder Ribat Bang. Richanmehi Rinklem participated in the 35th East Zone Junior Athletics Championship 2024 in Odisha and Ribat Bang participated in the National School Games 2024 in Uttar Pradesh. We now have East Khasi Hills District with flag bearer Henry Yoga A. Sangma who participated in the East Zone Junior Athletic Championship 2024 Odisha and placard holder Rukini Arti Dakhar.
My great honor and pleasure to stand before all of you for this vibrant gathering for which we have all gathered here today to recognize the spirit of competition, of discipline and unity at the Meghalaya Inter-School Athletic Meet 2025. Through this event, we seek to recognize the power of sports and athletics in shaping lives, especially the lives of youth, that is, lives of each and every one of you who have gathered here today. As the director had spoken before me, he has stressed on the importance of the various schemes which the government has implemented and also the roadmap which the government has set in for Meghalaya. The government of Meghalaya is committed towards building Meghalaya as a center of sports and excellence in the years to come. For this, the government is committed towards spending in terms of infrastructure, in terms of athlete development, which is evident from the various schemes and policies which can be seen being implemented and rolled out as we speak. This event itself is a commitment to that roadmap, and it shows the seriousness of the government in addressing the importance of promoting sports for the overall development and well-being, especially for the youth of the state. To the athletes who are gathered here today, I would suggest all of you to run the extra mile, jump a little higher, push yourselves, use this opportunity to showcase whatever talent God has given every one of you. Through this talent, I hope that you will be able to achieve greater heights, achieve more representation in bigger platforms to showcase your talents and your skills in whatever disciplines you are participating in. To the coaches and the parents and the mentors, we thank you for your continuous support in shaping the athletes who have gathered here today. It would not have been possible to have this event without you all putting your effort and sacrificing your time and energy and resources to ensuring that our athletes here are able to participate in this program. Finally, let us all commit together to build not just champions, but strong, confident individuals who will carry the spirit of Meghalaya across every corner of this country. Let this athletics meet not just be a competition, but a celebration of effort, potential, and unity. I wish each and every one of you the best of wishes as you participate in the various categories and sporting events. I hope that each and every one of you will do your best, and may the best men or women come on top. My best wishes to all of you, and thank you for having me at this event. I would now like to officially declare the School Athletics Meet 2025 open.
In the name of all the competitors, I promise that we shall take part in this state-level inter-school athletic meet 2025 in loyal competition, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them, and committing ourselves to a sport without doping and without drugs, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of the sports and honor of our teams. Thank you.
Eight 5-0.